Hi, I'm Esther. I'm the senior staff writer covering health and fitness here at Reviewed, and today we are reviewing the Hyperice Hypervolt 2. So the Hypervolt 2 is the second version of the Hypervolt from Hyperice, and it comes with some upgrades. The handle is slimmer, it's lighter overall, and it has a more powerful motor for a deeper massage. It has 3 speed settings and comes with 5 different attachments, and you can connect it to the Hyperice app on your smartphone for preset warm-ups or cool downs if you're not sure how to use it. Compared to one of our other favorite massage guns, the Theragun Elite, the Hypervolt 2 only costs $199. The Elite is $399. One of my favorite things about the Hypervolt 2 is the range of speed settings that you get. Even though it's just 3 settings, I feel like you really get a good range of sensation. It's really easy to just cycle through them by using this button on the back right here. It's really important to have multiple speed settings with any massage gun because you want to use a higher setting on bigger muscle groups. So if you're massaging your quads or your hamstrings, you're going to use a higher setting, and you're going to use a lower setting on more delicate muscles like an IT band or your calves. I personally don't own a massage gun. I don't use a ton of them, so I thought Hyperice's app was fantastic. It gave me a whole bunch of options of classes to take to learn how to use a massage gun and routines specifically designed for post-running, post-strength training, warm-ups, really anything you could think of. It automatically connects via Bluetooth, and so the speed settings will automatically change as you're going through the video with your instructor. You can filter by muscle group, by your goal, such as improving flexibility or performance, and then when you want to do the routine, so whether you want to use it as a warm-up, a post-workout cool-down, or just everyday maintenance. Having 5 attachments is super helpful because you can use the different ones on different parts of your body for a more comfortable and more beneficial massage. This flat that's on it right now is kind of what you would think of when you think of a massage gun. It's like the most basic option for your larger muscle groups, but there's a pointy little bullet that you can use for really small muscles. There's a fork attachment that's great for your lower legs. Even though it is pretty big, it's also pretty quiet. It's not too noisy. Even when the motor's going at its highest speed, it's not too disruptive. Especially compared to some other powerful massage guns we've tested, this one is much quieter. Even though it is more lightweight and the handle is smaller than the original Hypervolt, I still think it's a little large for anyone who might have just smaller hands or a smaller frame. If that's the case for you, Hyperice does have the Hypervolt Go, which is a smaller version of this massage gun. And it only comes with 2 attachments instead of 5s, but it still has multiple speed settings. You can still get a really good massage with it, and you can connect it to the Hyperice app. So should you buy the Hyperice Hypervolt 2? I would definitely recommend it. It's one of my favorite massage guns that I've tested. The 5 attachments and 3 speed settings really allow you to get any kind of massage you want with it. And I thought Hyperice's app was really easy to navigate and the instruction was super clear and helpful. Even though it is $200, it might be kind of expensive for some, I definitely think it's worth it for a device that's going to last a long time. For the full review, head to reviewed.com. Thanks for watching.